यारो यार मदीना यो बदलेगा यो बदलेगा जो आउटफ्लो पे चढ़ गया मुझे बात बदलेगा ये आउटफ्लो पे चढ़ गया मुझे बात बदलेगा ये आउटफ्लो पे चढ़ गया मुझे बात बदलेगा ये आउटफ्लो पे चढ़ गया मुझे बात बदलेगा राजी से
Very nice, very nice.
कोई बवाल है बचा दिन पर तेरी गई सो
Oh, very good, very good.
तो तोड़ कोई ना तेरे की रेस लगा दे तेरा इतनी भाई जैसे जैकी चैन दिखता इतना तू पानी ना पी जितना सहयोगी पी
Next, next, next. Quick, quick,
का
quick.
सॉल्यूशन है वो बड़ा जुगाड़ी है जंगल का शेर खाल भी इसका पक्का यारी है
Next, next, next.
ऐसे तेज पहला दिखती इसलिए हमको कुल्फू सिखाई वर्ल्ड फेमस जोड़ी है यारो रब में बनाई जीने भाई जनरेटर में आवाज पर तुम लगा दे अपने आंखों की दिखता है दिखा दे अच्छे मुझे लंबा चले का सीना यो ताऊ है यारो नहीं ना यो देगा जो आउटरो तक या कुछ देगा ये आउटरो तक या कुछ देगा ये आउटरो तक या कुछ देगा ये आउटरो तक या कुछ देगा चीन से अमेरिका तक कोई बवाल है बिजली से भी तेज इंपोर्ट वाला माल है थोड़े रंग का चादर पे पकाई किसी का बॉलीवुड वाले दिल का पूरा देसी एक बात प्रचार बताते तेरी गली सुनाते फिटनेस का तो तोड़ कोई ना टेढ़ की रेस लगाते टूटी मेरा इतनी पाई जैसे जैकी चैन दिखता इतना तू पानी न पीती जितना सहयोगी पी जाता चीज का सॉल्यूशन है तो बड़ा जुगाड़ी है जंगल का शेर खान भी इसका पक्का यारी है जब ट्रेन से तेज बैलों की फ्लाइंग किक फाइटिंग वाली यारों ताऊले देसी कुश्ती तो इसने हमको कुंफू सिखाई वर्ल्ड फेमस चोरी है यारों का रबड़ बनाई हिंदी में आया दुनिया में इसके यारों में डूबा कुएं में गर्मी पूरी जून या दिसंबर इसमें जो चीज रहता यारों को अंधारी है ताऊ हमारा भाई खतरों का खिलाड़ी है वो चलते दुनिया में इसके यारों में डूबा कुएं में गर्मी पूरी जून या दिसंबर इसमें जो चीज रहता यारों को अंधारी है ताऊ हमारा भाई खतरों का खिलाड़ी है जनरेटर में आवाज पर तुम लगा दे अपने आंखों के तारे का सीना यो ताऊ हमारा यारो दुनिया नहीं ना यो देगा जब आउटरो तक या कुछ देगा ये आउटरो तक या कुछ देगा ये आउटरो तक या कुछ देगा ये आउटरो तक या कुछ देगा से अमेरिका तक कोई बवाल है थोड़े रंग का चादर पे पकाई किसी का बॉलीवुड वाले दिल का पूरा देसी एक बात प्रचार बताते तेरी गली सुनाते का सॉल्यूशन है तो बड़ा जुगाड़ी है जंगल का शेर खान भी इसका पक्का यारी है ट्रेन से तेज बैलों की फ्लाइंग किक फाइटिंग वाले यारों ताऊले देसी कुश्ती तो इसने हमको कुंफू सिखाई वर्ल्ड फेमस चोरी है यारों का रबड़ बनाई हिंदी में आया चर्चे दुनिया में इसके यारों में डूबा कुएं में गर्मी पूरी जून या दिसंबर इसको जो चीज करता यारों को अंधारी है ताऊ हमारा भाई खतरों का खिलाड़ी है वो चर्चे दुनिया में इसके यारों में डूबा कुएं में गर्मी पूरी जून या दिसंबर इसको जो चीज करता यारों को अंधारी है ताऊ हमारा भाई खतरों का खिलाड़ी है देगा जो over, bet you got who's a bump for the guy. You're over, bet you got who's a bump for the guy. You're over, bet you got who's a bump for the guy. You're over, bet you got who's a bump for the guy.
Shilpa, before we say anything, can we please make some noise for this body and this gorgeous woman? Really make that noise. Look at this woman looking stunning. अब आप स्पेशली यहाँ पे आई हैं क्योंकि जब मिलन कुंफू और योगा का हो और योगा का जिक्र हो और आप ना हो ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता लेकिन what is that special connect that you have with Jackie Chan? I want to know.
A very good evening to everyone here. So I'm not here as Shilpa Shetty, the actor, or a yoga enthusiast. I'm purely here as an ardent, crazy fan of Jackie Chan. Guys, he truly, I think, I can say very safely, is legendary, the biggest action star the world has ever seen. And I can say that very safely because he has had a career span of 56 years. 56 years of doing action, guys. That definitely calls for a round of applause. So,
आप कभी उनके stunts को देख के घर पे try करती थी? Just curious.
आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे मैंने कराटे इसीलिए किया क्योंकि मैं जैकी चैन की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन थी और मैं फिल्में जब उनकी देखती थी तो मैं आउटटेक्स का इंतज़ार करती थी. I used to wait to see the outtakes and I didn't realize that those outtakes were the reason that I realized that if you want to be a legend and if you want to be successful, you have to put in all the work and all the hard work that you can because that is what this legendary actor does. You see his outtakes and you realize that the most difficult stunts he made look easy because he put his heart into it. So, I'd like to welcome all the way from Beijing to Bollywood, the legendary, the biggest action star that we have ever seen. We're going to see him live, Jackie Chan, and our very own, all the way from Punjab, Moga, to Kung Fu Yoga, the fittest and the sweetest Sonu Sood.
दे देगा ये पंप दे देगा मैं जो ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़ गया गूज पंप दे देगा ये ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़ गया गूज पंप दे देगा ये ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़ गया गूज पंप दे देगा ये ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़ गया गूज पंप दे देगा चीन से अमेरिका तक ताऊ ही बवाल है बिजली से भी तेज ये इंपोर्ट वाला माल है थोड़े रंग का चादरा भाई ऊपर गाड़ी कैसी करता स्टेप हॉलीवुड वाले दिल का पूरा देसी एक बात पे चार बता दे मुझ पे तेरी गणी सुना दे फिटनेस का तो तोड़ कोई ना 1.5 मील की रेस लगा दे कुर्ती ले रहा इतनी भाई जैसे जैकी चैन दिखाता इतना तू पानी ना पीती जितना सहयोगी पी जाता हर चीज का सॉल्यूशन है ताऊ बड़ा जुगाड़ी है जंगल बुक का शेर खान भी इसका पक्का यारी है जेट प्लेन से तेज भाई लौंडे की फ्लाइंग किक है फाइटिंग वाले यारो ताऊ ले रहा हर ट्रिक है हमने देसी कुश्ती तो इसने हमको कुनफू सिखाई वर्ल्ड फेमस जोड़ी ये यारो है रब ने बनाई हिंदी चीनी भाई भाई हिंदी चीनी भाई भाई हिंदी चीनी भाई भाई हिंदी चीनी भाई भाई हिंदी चीनी वो चर्चे दुनिया में इसके यारों ग्रैंड बम्पर है खून में गर्मी पूरी जून या दिसंबर है इसको जो चेस करता यारों वो अनाड़ी है ताऊ हमारा भाई खतरों का खिलाड़ी है.
Thank you for the introduction.
I can't believe this legendary moment for all of us to have you here, sir. What a pleasure.
Come on, guys!
in
India,
India-
show him some love! Jackie Chan!
Namaste. Sir, I'm going to ask you a question. You've been entertaining us since, wow, look at that power. I think you need a clap for the man. He is stunningly 63 and still raring to go. Sir, since you were 5, you've been acting in movies, but your parents called you Pow Pow.
Yes.
Why was that?
Because I wasn't born like a 12 half pound. It's like a cannon. A Mandarin cannon is called Pow Pow. So this is why my nickname is called Pow Pow.
And then you got this whole thing called Jackie Chan. You've done so much in your life. Do you recommend everybody sitting here to do much more? Because you did 10 things and then you got to your aim in life.
I believe all of you, most, I think, all watch my movie growing up, right? When your father take you see my movie, this day you should take your parents go to theater see my movie.
Woo!
And really, I know Indian people love me. I love India. You know, I come here for the film festival. I come here for the charity. I come here for making a movie. That's the second movie I make in India because I love you. Really, thank you.
I've heard that Sonu Sood insisted that you dance. We know you're a fantastic singer, but how difficult is it to dance on a Hindi song? You've got to tell us.
For me, the beginning is difficult because they like this guy. The most difficult part is that I cannot move my head. Can you move? Yes. Can you move? See? I said, in Indian, everybody knows, but me, I don't know how. That's the most difficult part. And later on, I tell the teacher, can you choreograph more easy one, just like before, like change label, kai, and hit the ground. Because I believe there are so many people learn from me. I was right. After the song go to the internet, now the whole China, all the old lady, and becoming exercise dance.
Yes.
Yeah, we have convocation with India. Zumba. Well.
So many forms.
Yes.
And how do you rate Mr. Sonu Sood with action?
Tough. Because we learn martial art, after that we learn movie. In the movie we like a pa 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 pa, and even the heat like this. See? When he pa boom, I said, slow down. No, when he fights, pa pa, pa pa. I said no. Then after all my training, people teach you training how to stop. You know, and you look strong but doesn't hurt. When you doesn't look strong, we both get hurt again. I said, you want to show? You want to show off? But he learned so quick. 1 week later, then he know the rhythm. He know the timing. Yeah.
You know, I would like to say, to add to Jackie said, the day I landed in China, and you know, the whole JC stunt team, which is the best in the world, every day they used to wake me about 5:30 in the morning, train me for 4-5 hours, and Jackie said were always there to monitor it, that everything was going fine. You know, I've done films in all the languages, but I think, you know, of all the hard work or little whatever I've achieved in my life, I think this was my, you know, final moment when I got a film with Jackie sir, and you know now Kung Fu Yoga is all set to release. So I think I've done my bit. I've done something good in life to be with him.
Hindi chini bhai bhai. Do you think you know that? You know what that means?
No.
It means Indian and Chinese are brothers.
Yes.
So can you repeat after me? Hindi chini
Hindi chini.
bhai bhai.
Bye bye.
Let's
Hindi
sing.
chini.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Hindi chini
Bye
bye
bye.
bye.
Hindi chini. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Hindi chini. Bye
Not
bye.
bye bye. Oh no. Bye bye. Yeah. All right. So Sonu, just so that I can ask you the legend that he is, and now that Shilpa is here, let's get a pose of the Kung Fu and yoga. Aap kaun sa
Kung-
side? Yeah, she's the yoga master.
Oh, okay.
She's a queen
That's
of yoga.
easy. Look, you the yoga. I'm the kung fu. Kung fu yoga. He's kung fu yoga.
I don't know how is he going to do that pose. I have no idea. But let's see how you guys do it.
दे देगा ये पंप दे देगा मैं जो ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़ गया गूज पंप दे देगा ये ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़
जेपी तेज ये इंपोर्ट वाला माल
Whoa, superb!
पर गाड़ी कैसी करता स्टेप हॉलीवुड वाले दिल का पूरा देसी एक बात पे चार बता दे मुझ पे तेरी गणी सुना दे फिटनेस का तो तोड़ कोई
So, Shilpa Shetty is known for her dazzling smile. We're going to ask you. You always smile when you're fighting. That's kind of.
I
How
don't
do
know
you-
why.
is it
when
a-
I find it so happy, so exciting, with all the people.
But are you sure it's not the pain? Ah.
Sometimes, like this kind of movie is like a Chinese family movie. You got the smiling.
Yes.
But-
My philosophy when I'm making a movie, after the movie is done, I talk to myself, can I show my children? If I can show my children, I can show whole world the children to see my movie.
Wow.
Yes.
Superb.
Also, sir, Also, what I've loved about his movies and how they are different from other action movies is that, correct me if I'm wrong, you never show that much blood. You actually never show blood in his movies. So that's where his films are set apart from the other action movies, and I think that's so amazing.
And Shilpa, I'll tell you, I was there on the sets. Every day we shot almost 60, 70 days of action. So I was very keen. The first day we started, watching him perform action. So I was very keen to know how actually he does that so nicely. And, he'll always come on the set that, okay, tell me what you want to show me. So the whole JC stunt team, they have practiced some full action like this punch, this punch, this punch. So he'll come, oh, no, I'll show you how to do. So in that small, those 2-3 punches, the trick he'll add it, like if he's, Chalo, just hold for me. Hold for me.
Hold for you, huh?
Yeah. So if he just, in Indian action movies like, Bisham, Bisham, this way do it. He said, no, it's not like, he's like, Bisham,
Scary!
he does it. Magic.
Speed.
Because when I create an action sequence, I create a rhythm first. So we write it down, ba 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 boom, ba boom. When you turn out the sound effect, then you still see ba 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 bum, ba 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 boom. If you just boom 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 boom, it's a bit boring and violent.
So your singing has helped your action.
Yeah, you
But
fire like a
music.
dance. Yeah.
Well, I just love the fact that you have got this man. Can we please clap for Sonu Sood, one of the nicest human beings in my 15 years of radio career. I haven't met somebody as nice. And he keeps telling us about your niceness. You have a lot of lessons to teach India. And one is respecting women. We have a problem here. The women are doing too much yoga, but they're not doing enough kung fu. So you have to teach me a step for self-defense. Actually, both of us. I think we should learn one.
Teach us. We are your
So he's the
first
gunda,
students.
he is the villain,
Yeah.
and he is cheering us.
Yes.
I'm not a
Sonu,
villain.
are you ready?
I cannot be a villain.
Now, if the bad guy coming,
Yes,
like,
yes.
you just like this. Then
God.
look, boom.
Oh, so that's
Yeah, see if I don't bleed, boom.
yeah, so you have to keep your hands ready.
So it's all about
As
this
hard
link.
as you can, boom. Then
Yeah, and
turn, run. Yes, and that moment he cannot see it. When they come, boom, see, bang, they run.
Well, if it's you doing it, then yes. But Shilpa, it was wonderful having you here.
Thank you.
I think the whole combination of Kung Fu Yoga is complete with you. Can we please clap for the lady and the lovely lady for having joined us today?
Thank you so
Shilpa,
much.
thank you.
I really believe. Sorry, I don't want to take too much time. I was telling Sonu, and this is purely happened because of Sonu. I really believe that in life, if you really think about something from your heart, it does manifest. I really believe that I became an actor, and I have really had my fan moment. I've never been starstruck by anyone but Jackie Chan, and I got to, fulfill this dream. Thank you. Thank you so much for making my dream come true, really. Thank you so much. And this comes with a lot of respect, really.
Lovely. Thank you, Shilpa, for adding that dazzling pearly smile. All right, just quick pictures, everybody, with Shilpa before she leaves. Yeah, without mind, absolutely. Give me.
दे देगा मैं जो ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़ गया गूज बम्प दे देगा यो ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़ गया गूज बम्प दे देगा यो ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़ गया गूज बम्प दे देगा यो ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़ गया गूज
All right then, let's call on stage the man who's directed these two fine gentlemen, Mr. Stanley Tong.
देगा यो पंप दे देगा मैं जो ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़ गया गूज पंप दे देगा यो ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़ गया गूज पंप दे देगा यो ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़ गया
So you worked with him before and he hasn't changed, we think, but I'm sure you have seen a considerable change in Mr. Jackie Chan over the years. He just evolves, betters himself. And of course, you've got to experience one of our Indian action superheroes. How does it feel to be in India, firstly?
I love India. First time I was here in 1993, and then I go through the whole India. So then we make the Myth in India 11 years ago, and but I only shoot a very little part in Hampi. So this time I shoot more place in Rajasthan.
Oh, did you like Rajasthan?
I love it very much. I love the architecture. I love the history, and that's why when Jackie give me Kung Fu, yoga, this 4 words, then I looked through all the history between China and India, then I found out 1,400 years ago,
So much
the Tang Dynasty first sent an ambassador to India. And that's the story behind it. So I made use of the true story, and I came up with this action adventure.
That's fantastic. You have a bit of history there then.